In this video, I'm going to show you how to slow down the pace of the voice in ElevenLabs in just a few seconds. This is a really useful adjustment if you want your voiceovers to sound calmer, clearer, more natural, or easier to follow. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, audiobooks, explainer content, or social media voiceovers, changing the speed can make a huge difference in how your final audio feels. If you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ElevenLabs and go to the voice generation area, where you normally type or paste your text. Once you're on the main generation screen, look for the speed slider. This is the control that determines how fast or slow the voice will speak. By default, the speed is usually set to 1.0, which gives you the standard pacing. To slow the voice down, drag the slider to the left. A good range to try is between 0.7 and 0.9. If you want the voice to sound just slightly more relaxed, start around 0.9. If you want a noticeably slower and more deliberate delivery, try 0.8 or even 0.7. The lower you go, the slower the speech will sound, but you want to keep it natural and easy to listen to. After adjusting the slider, take a quick moment to review your text and make sure everything else is set the way you want it. If needed, you can also test different voice settings, but for this tutorial, the main thing is the speed adjustment. Once you're happy with the slider position, click Generate. ElevenLabs will create the new audio using the slower pacing you selected. When the audio finishes processing, listen back and see if the timing feels right for your project. If it still sounds too fast, simply go back and move the slider a little further to the left, then generate it again. If it feels too slow, move it slightly to the right until it sounds natural. That's really all there is to it. Slowing down the voice in ElevenLabs is quick, simple, and can instantly improve the clarity and style of your narration. It's one of those small settings that can make your content sound much more polished and professional. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.